All right, we are continuing with section 12.1. We're talking about trigonometric ratios. So what we want to do in these two examples is we want to label each side as either hypotenuse, opposite, or adjacent, depending on which acute angle you are standing on. So this is our frame of reference. So for part A, label each side of the triangle if you are standing on angle B. So I will almost always draw in my little stick figure there so that I know which angle we are using as our reference point. So if you want to use a highlighter or you want to circle it, I just like to do a stick figure because it really draws my attention. So if I am standing at angle B, which side is the hypotenuse? Well, the hypotenuse doesn't change no matter which acute angle you're standing at. Remember, we'll never stand at the right angle, only the two acute angles. So this is our hypotenuse. Okay, and sometimes we'll just use a capital letter H. Then if I go all the way across the triangle, this will be our opposite side. Okay, and sometimes we'll use the letter O for opposite. And then remember, if we're standing at B, it's next to or adjacent to two sides. It's adjacent to BC, but that's our hypotenuse, so that can't be the adjacent side. So it's got to be this side over here. This is going to be our adjacent side, or again, we'll just use the letter A. All right, so now for part B, label each side of the triangle as hypotenuse, opposite, and adjacent if you are standing on angle C. So now we're standing over here. So go ahead and pause the video and see if you can label the sides, opposite, adjacent, and hypotenuse if we are standing at angle C, and then when you restart, we can check. So pause now and give that a shot. So go ahead and compare your solution to my solution here. Notice the hypotenuse didn't change. But now, if our stick girl is standing over here at C, all the way across the triangle is the opposite side, and then the side that she's next to that's not the hypotenuse is going to be the adjacent side. All right, so again, very important to be able to recognize opposite, adjacent, hypotenuse. So if you have any problems identifying these, or if you think you may have some questions, make sure you get help, because the rest of the unit's going to build on this, and we'll be using this every single time we do trig ratios. Make sure you get some help and get clarification. All right, that's it for this video. We'll see you next time.